Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and I have a video for you. So I went up to the cabin this weekend, we cleaned it out, and I want to show you some video footage of that. And now what's coming up is the decorating process. But before we get to that, I want to show you where we were and where we're going. So keep watching, more video footage coming up. And it's about 7:30 a.m. and I am on my way up to the cabin. We had our dumpster delivered, and so now is the day, well, today is the day I should say, to get all of the junk that was inside of the cabin out of the cabin and truly make it our own. So I am heading up there now. My son and my daughter-in-law is already up there, and we're gonna get started today. All right, guys, it's cleanup day. So I'm at the other cabin, and as you can see, the dumpster is right here. It's a 30-yard dumpster. Cost me $200 out here. So anyway, this is what we're gonna use to dump everything. It's pretty deep. Not as long, but it's deep. I told him to put as close to the door as possible. Hey, you guys, I'm inside the second cabin. So we cleaned the kitchen area. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. So we got all the garbage out of there. This garbage has to go fast because little critters, rodents, like to harbor in garbage. So when you have that stuff around, you see an infestation of them. So we have to get this done as quickly as possible. Besides, they're taking the dumpster tomorrow. But I'm doing all that I can to kind of get this area cleaned up and tidy. And then in here, I'm just planning to, I'm gonna paint the cabinets, but we're not doing none of that decorative stuff until probably starting next week. This week, we're just trying to get everything basically just all cleaned out. And then we can come in here next week, disinfect and start some decorating, small decorating things. Nothing too big and major. The biggest thing is making sure everything's clean. All of this furniture that's right here in the middle of the living room floor, that has to actually go out last because that's gonna be on top. And then I have bags and stuff my youngest son and I bagged up. But my other son's on the way. We're gonna get started. All right, you guys, we've been up here working. We're gonna take a break now. We pretty much got everything in the dumpster. We have some stuff at the other cabin we need to clean out and put in the dumpster as well. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna bring it over here on a trailer. And when we do, there's just a couple more things we gotta get, and we gotta finish up the bathroom where the little rodents made a nest. And then in this hallway closet here, there's just a tiny little nest in the corner that they made that we gotta get that. But otherwise, everything is pretty much done, and it looks great. That back room is all cleaned out. I'm gonna be painting that pretty soon, and then I gotta get these floors taken care of as well. So that is my focus over the next week or so. But the kitchen is all done. We got all the drawers out, so those need to be cleaned, disinfected, and I have some drawer lining that I can put in there for them. We pretty much got all the furniture that we're gonna keep. I really like this, so we're gonna keep that, and I'm gonna have the fireplace go above it. We had a chair here we're gonna keep. This was really nice. It reminds me of kind of antique, so we're gonna keep that as well. And a couple pictures we're gonna keep and hang up. So we're pretty much good here on the cabin and having it ready. So keep watching, more video footage coming up. All right, so the kitchen is done.